Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rheina Kharizma Putri and NPM 22,411,146. Here I will explain industrial psychology with material on industrial psychology and human resources management, HRM. The first is, industrial psychology is a branch of psychology that focuses on the application of psychological principles in the context of the world of work. In this context, industrial psychology plays an important role in human resource management, HRM, which is the process of developing, implementing and evaluating policies and procedures relating to individuals in organizations. Next, basic concepts of industrial psychology, definition and scope. Industrial psychology studies human behavior in the workplace, including interactions between individuals and their work environment. The main goal is to improve the quality of human resources through a better understanding of employee characteristics, motivation and behavior. Industrial psychology also serves as a tool for diagnosing problems in organizations and designing solutions that are based on scientific evidence. Then, the relationship between industrial psychology and HRM and its relationship with industrial psychology is that industrial psychology and HRM are closely related because they both focus on human behavior in an organizational context. Some areas of joint focus between industrial psychology and HRM include: the first, recruitment and selection. Namely, industrial psychology helps in the recruitment process by using scientific methods to assess candidates, while HRM places more emphasis on the efficiency and effectiveness of the process. The second, training and development. Namely, industrial psychology provides the theoretical basis for designing effective training programs, while HRM is responsible for its implementation. And third, motivation and job satisfaction. Namely, understanding the psychological factors that influence employee motivation is very important for these two fields. Industrial psychology analyzes these factors, while HRM implements strategies to increase job satisfaction. Then, next is the role of industrial psychology in HRM. Industrial psychology contributes to various aspects of HR management, including job analysis, namely identifying the skills and competency requirements required for each position in the company. Recruitment and selection, namely developing valid assessment tools to select the best candidates based on relevant psychological characteristics. Employee training, namely designing training programs that suit employee development needs and organizational goals. Performance measurement, namely using scientific methods to objectively assess employee performance, including 360-degree assessments. Conflict management, namely applying mediation and conflict resolution techniques in the workplace to create a harmonious work environment. And then the last one is challenges in the application of industrial psychology. In practice, the application of industrial psychology in companies often faces challenges such as resistance to change. Employees may be reluctant to accept new approaches implemented by management. Resource limitations, as many organizations do not have sufficient resources to implement all psychological recommendations effectively. Differences in organizational culture, namely that each company has a unique culture that can influence the acceptance of certain psychological methods, and therefore, the conclusion we can draw is, industrial psychology plays a crucial role in human resource management by providing scientifically based insights into employee behavior. Through the application of psychological principles, organizations can improve their operational effectiveness, increase employee job satisfaction, and create a more productive work environment. The relationship between industrial psychology and HRM shows the importance of an interdisciplinary approach in understanding work dynamics in the modern era.